Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Just did my skincare routine, so I'm very shiny. Hugo and I are at the Domain right now, which is basically like an outdoor mall. It's a mall. But we came to take a little stroll, an evening stroll, and try a tasty treat. We don't know what we're gonna get yet, but
Something. I'm starving.
well, we're just getting snacks.
Okay.
So I don't know what you're expecting.
What are we eating tonight?
Well, I don't know. We're at the Domain. Are we eating here?
Maybe.
Maybe we're eating here now. I don't know yet. We'll
kind of
see.
expensive.
Also, my shirt says burn blunts, not witches. We got our ice cream, we got banana pudding, and Texas sheet cake, and wild berry lavender. I look like a monster.
Well, you are. You're eating all the ice cream.
Okay, here's our consensus. The Texas sheet cake is bomb. The, what is this, wild berry lavender?
Yeah.
Also bomb. The banana pudding, it's a little iffy. I thought it was gonna be better than it is. Hi guys, we just voted. Where's your sticker? And Austin is doing a bunch of these like incentives at like local places. So we are going to Home Slice Pizza because they give you a free slice of pizza for your voted sticker. So we're gonna go eat some pizza. Just got home, we got our garlic knots and our, oh my god, the plate is stuck to this. My pizza, and Hugo got 2 slices, good lordy. Wow, very nice. And we got our Cokes. Sir, what do you want?
Oh my god.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Good morning guys. I wanted to share my morning skincare routine with all of you. So I just cleansed my face right now. I got my sweater a little wet because I'm a clown and washed my face with long sleeves, but I'm gonna go in with some toner. I'm using the Pixi Rose Tonic, and I have these little reusable cotton rounds. Can't really see them super well. What is with this lighting? These are from M Cosmetics, but I don't know if they sell these. I got these in a PR package. If you're looking for reusable cotton rounds or like microfiber little towels like to remove your makeup and stuff, I highly recommend checking out Etsy because there's a ton of little small businesses there that have amazing products like this. But anyways, I'm going in with the Pixi Rose Tonic. I always go in with a toner right after I cleanse my skin. I've really been liking the Rose Tonic. I am almost out, I'm like right here. But if you have like a lot of texture or breakouts, I really like the Pixi Glow Tonic. It's really good. Next, I go in with a serum. I've been using the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. Then I just kind of like pat this into my skin and just, you know, let it absorb. Next, I go in with eye cream. This is also from Ulla Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright eye cream. I never know if I'm like pronouncing the brand name correctly, but I really like this one. I feel like it really does brighten up my under eye. So I just take a little bit on my middle finger and just like tap that right under my under eye and like up into the corner right here, and then just like work my way to the lid here. Next, I go in with moisturizer, and this one is the Pharmacy Honey Drop. So if you watched last week's vlog, you know this one is new. I've just been trying this one out for like a week now, and so far I really like it. It's nice and lightweight. But if you watched my favorites video, my September favorites video, you know that I'm obsessed with the Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. It's a little bit thicker than this one, a little bit more moisturizing than this one, but I like this a lot for like under makeup because it's so lightweight. So anyways, I'm applying a little bit of this guy. So I'm just kind of taking the little spatula and putting this all over me. The texture of this is just so good. It feels like a gel or like a water cream. Also, don't forget your neck. Moisturize your neck. Next, I'm going in with face oil, and this is from Wishful. This is their rose oil. It has rose, carrot seed, and rose hip. This one, I will say, has like kind of a funky weird scent to it. It doesn't smell like roses, but it doesn't linger, so that's good. Oh my god, it's dripping everywhere. This one I also pat into my skin. I have drier skin, but if you guys have oilier skin, don't be afraid to use face oils. I promise they are good for you. Then I go in with sunscreen. This is the Glossier Invisible Shield. This has SPF 35 in here, and this one I love, especially for underneath makeup. It's very lightweight, and it kind of has like a serum kind of texture to it where it just like really soaks into your skin, doesn't leave any sort of white cast or anything. So this one is definitely my favorite like daily sunscreen, and seriously you guys, do not forget to wear your sunscreen. It is so important. Last part of my skincare routine is always a lip balm. This one is the Pharmacy Honey Butter Lip Balm. It is a beeswax lip balm. Feels really nice. But that wraps up my morning skincare routine. This is how I keep my skin very hydrated and nice and glowy. Okay, also I wanted to share these. I bought a set of mesh bags like this one off Amazon because I use so many of these like reusable items when I do my skincare routine. So like these little cotton rounds, little makeup remover things, and I always lose them in the wash. So I finally got mesh bags. I know mesh bags aren't new when it comes to like doing laundry and stuff, but this is what I've been using to wash like my little reusable items and my face masks and even socks, like my cuter socks that I don't want to lose, or like the smaller like no-show socks. I feel like those are constantly disappearing, so bought this little mesh bag set from Amazon. It came in like a set of 6 and they're like all different sizes, but they've been helping a girl out. Okay, so this is our current fridge situation. The lone pudding cup really just, you know, does it for me. But we realized we have no groceries. So today, we're going to Costco. Today, we're going to Costco to get,
Pizza.
like... Are we getting pizza?
I did just eat pizza yesterday.
Jury's out on the pizza. But, we
I'm getting a chicken.
are getting essentials. Okay, I'm getting blinded by the sun. Okay, we got like 5 things at Costco. And now we're going to HEB. Woo. Look at this beautiful sunset.
And McDonald's. It's the Golden Arches.
They got the pumpkins out. Finally done grocery shopping. Okay, here's a little grocery haul of some of the items that we got. We got some granola. These are literally the best. If you haven't tried these, they're so good. I got some palm juice, or what are these? Super teas? I don't know. They sounded really delicious, so I wanted to try them. Pumpkin spice creamer. We got some Kirby Lane pancake mix. It's like a Austin cafe. They have really good pancakes, so we got some of that. My chai latte concentrate stuff, some avocado oil. Actually, this is a huge thing of avocado oil. Our favorite veggie pot stickers, some HEB guacamole and hummus. What else is going on over here? Cucumbers, eggs, Texas toast, of course, orange juice, salads, bananas, garlic, rice, chocolate chips for the pancakes. And then we found this margarita pizza that just looked so delish. So we're gonna make that for dinner tomorrow. Some yogurt, protein bars, and Hugo decided that with our big grocery haul that he was gonna get Popeyes.
I don't want to cook.
Also found this 4-piece kitchen bin set, I don't know, for our fridge. It's like these little organizers. So I got this at Costco, and I also forgot to show you the best part of our haul, the croissants. Hi guys, I just took a shower, so don't come for whatever hair is happening here. Also, I'm wearing a Christmas sweater. I'm wearing my thank you next sweater, but I promise I'm festive still. I have Halloween socks on. See, they're so cute. Today, I'm going to make the pizza. We've had a lot of pizza this week, but this one looks so freaking good. All right, she's in. It's quite the task to cut this. Oh my fucking god.
That hurt. I'm assuming you don't want the big...
I don't want to eat a whole half.
Okay, that's fine. That's
like
fine.
I'll eat a half, but in slices.
Will you eat a quarter?
Yeah. This is quite the cheese happening.
It's really hot, and like our
pizza cutter's
so
trash.
trash. There we go.
Well, We may be going to Target today, so we can get a new one.
Wait, yeah, for real though. Let's actually
Yeah,
put it
we
on the list.
okay.
This thing
Jot
sucks.
that down. This is aggressive. You're like the lady from the Powerpuff Girls with no head.
Oh yeah.
How do you rate this?
6 out of 10. Wouldn't get again.
No, I'm saying like a 4. It's not very good.
Oh.
And I'm a margarita stan. Ask Hugo. I order it everywhere. It's my favorite pizza.
You get it at home slice.
Well, the free slice was cheese.
I think the free slice was margarita. How come my pepperoni was free?
It was pepperoni or cheese.
Says who?
Them.
Oh.
Or else I would have got the margarita.
Damn.
I know.
I was like, cause they have a pretty good margarita pizza from
Theirs is good.
A chunk across the crust came off. It's bad.
What the hell? Here's the cheese aftermath on my plate. Okay, I just changed for Target really quick because I wanted to go to Target to look at their new Christmas stuff. Everyone on TikTok has been posting about it, and I just didn't want to look like a crazy lady in the middle of October wearing a Christmas sweater shopping for Christmas things. So I had to change. I am gonna put some of this in my hair. This is from Pravana. This is the Hydro Pearl oil, and I really like this stuff. My hair is a little bit crazy and out of control right now because it's been in a bun all day. But I really like this oil stuff. I just kind of throw it in my hair. I feel like it makes it look a little bit more put together and not as frizzy. So this is as good as it's gonna get today.
Hey.
We found a nail in my tire on the way to Target, so Hugo had to fill it up. What is the status? Wow, look at these dirty man hands.
Dirty man hands. The status, we either gotta get it patched up, or you trust me enough to patch it up myself. No, we should probably get it patched up.
Yeah, we should get it patched up.
Yeah, I'll book an appointment.
Okay, these are my favorite things in the entire world. I have like 2 of them in my car. I want them all. Very nice. This is actually cute. Look at the cute PJ sets. Oh my goodness. They have these cute little flannel jogger PJs. You guys, it's Christmas. How freaking cute are you? Hugo got socks.
Only $1.
Okay, so here's what I ended up with. I got this really cute little cookie jar. Our theme for Christmas is always red and white. Really unique, I know. But it just matches really well. And then we got this cute little mini candle. It won't focus, but it was like $3. And it's very cute, it smells great. Then I also got this cute little home for the holidays throw pillow, and this one, it says Merry Everything. It's kind of like a corally red. It matches a lot of the pillows that we got last year, so I just thought it was so cute. I really like the little beads on here. And then the last thing I got was a little snack because Ariana's new song is coming out tonight with her new music video. And we have to stay up until 11, so we needed a snack. I'm so excited because Positions comes out tonight, and then the album comes out next week, so I'm staying up, and I've never tried these. I've heard a lot of people talk about them, these Smart Sweets. I got the peach ring ones, but these have 3 grams of sugar. These are good, try.
We're good.
You hate it.
No, it's good. I just had a brownie. I don't really want it.
They had like gummy bears and Swedish fish and something else, I can't remember, but I went with peach rings because these are my faves. And they do not disappoint. The new video comes out in 60 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's so cute. Her hair's perfect. I am absolutely unwell. Hugo,
Yes.
why do you look so tawny?
It's just me and Speed.
She is perfect. All of the looks in this video, I cannot even handle it. Her hair, so good. It's so good. Her voice is so good. This is the only song that I will be listening to all week until the album comes out. Okay, thank you and goodbye. Did you love it? Was it so good? Yeah! What's up, you guys? The sun actually just came out. It was like pouring 3 seconds ago, so I'm glad we have some nice lighting in here. But I ordered a few things from Urban Outfitters and they had like 50% off last week. I think they still have 50% off on a whole bunch of like stuff, so I will link what I got down below just in case these are still on sale when this vlog goes live. But I'm going to show you a little mini haul of what I picked up. I mostly got socks, honestly. I have been needing some socks. So I got these really cute little butterfly ones. I like them because they have like the lettuce hem, like the little frill on the top, which I just thought was really, really cute. I also got these really sassy ones. I just think they're adorable. And the last pair of socks I got were these little striped ones. They had these in a few different colors. I honestly kind of want to get some more while they're still on sale. But I got the pistachio little green ones. The color is not really showing up on camera well, but they're very cute. And I like how they're a little bit lower on the ankle. I just thought they were precious. Then I got a few things from Hailie Beauty, which is Urban Outfitters beauty line. I haven't tried anything from them and I've been really interested in trying a few things, so I got kind of random things, honestly, but this is the only one I've tried so far. This is the, what are you called? So this is the Hi Beanies! Hi Beanies! How are you? Do you want to smell? Smell that. It smells so sweet, huh? So this is the Skin Quench Spray Serum in Refreshing Chai. It has a really sweet scent to it. Let me take a... It doesn't necessarily smell like chai. It smells like a fall candle. I don't really know how to explain it, but I quite like it. It's supposed to be like really hydrating and refreshing, and so far I like it. I definitely want to try out the matcha one as well, and I think they had like a chamomile scent as well, but this was $14 regularly, so I paid $7 for it. The other items I got from Hailie Beauty is a lip jelly. You guys know how I feel about lip balms, so I got the rose one. They were sold out of the peach, or else I would have grabbed the peach because that's always my favorite, but this one also smells really good. I haven't tried it out on my lips yet. I keep forgetting, honestly. And then the last thing I got from Hailie Beauty is the Wake Up Pen in the shade Pearl. I think they had 3 shades of this, but it's basically just like an under eye brightener. I thought it would be really nice for like no makeup days or no makeup days. Does that make sense? So I'm interested to try this out. I will let you guys know how I feel about it. I also got this t-shirt. This is like a little Japan oversized tee. I really liked like the mauve tone of this, but also the artwork on the bottom. I just thought it was really, really cool. They had a Mount Fiji one as well. And this was, I think, $28 on sale, so not bad. The problem is I got the large extra large because I wanted it to be like a t-shirt dress, but I really overestimated the oversized factor of this, so it's too big. I'm exchanging it for the small medium, so I have to return this one, but I already did like the exchange thing online, which Urban Outfitters makes it so easy. So kind of bummed because I want to wear this right now, but yeah. The last thing I got actually wasn't part of the 50% off sale, but I freaking love these. They are the comfiest ever. I think on Urban they're called the seamless bra tops, but they have a ton of colors of these and they are so freaking comfortable, you guys. It's ridiculous. You can wear it as just a regular top. You can use it for layering. It's just really comfy, and I loved this like peachy pink color, so I snagged it. That's all I got from my mini haul. I'm pretty excited about my new socks.